Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and phone OS are current because many static issues are fixed in updates. Once done, inspect the AirPods in case for lint, moisture, or corrosion that can cause poor contact. Next, restart the paired device and toggle Bluetooth. This clears transient radio glitches. If you have multiple devices, make sure to note which one produces the static so you can isolate whether the problem is the AirPods or a particular source. Now perform a careful deep clean. Use a soft brush and a lightly dampened cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove debris from the mesh. Make sure everything is dry before reassembling. Once cleaned, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case and holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light cycles amber then white. After reset, repair and test across multiple apps and devices to determine whether software, app-specific audio settings, or hardware still causes static. Finally, address advanced causes. Move to a low interference area, avoid crowded 2.4 GHz networks and appliances, and retest. RF noise often manifests as static. If interference isn't the cause, attempt a firmware restore via an Apple diagnostic or ask support to run hardware tests. Battery degradation or internal connector issues can create noise. If you still hear static after these steps, escalate to repair or replacement under warranty or Apple Care, and make sure to describe your troubleshooting steps when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.